Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change your phone number into ShopPay. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open any of your browser into your device very first, because you cannot change your phone number from your ShopPay app. So after opening the browser, you just simply have to go over your profile at very first, and after going into your profile, tap to settings, and after tapping into settings it will show this page. Now you just simply have to expand this login and security page, and after that into your phone number section you will get this option of change. Tap to change, and after that you can enter a new phone number for your ShopPay account. Just simply enter a new phone number and then tap to continue. And after doing this, you just simply have to enter the verification code that you will receive into your new phone number, and then your phone number will successfully be changed. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.